We are on our way to our nature walk at the National Arboretum. It is a beautiful day. Here we go. We're pulling up on it right here. National Arboretum. Let's see what they have to offer. Let's see. Isn't this beautiful? All right, guys. I'm going to get settled. Okay, guys, we're here on our nature walk. I have my son with me. Sun's in your face. Ada. Say hi, Dakota. Okay. We're just gonna take a walk. It's a beautiful day. I really feel like it's the last beautiful day before it gets really, really cold. We may stop and eat. I'm not gonna walk up there today, but I'll make a video one day. Me working out up there, that's goals. Look at that, that's lovely. Say hi, Dakota. You go, boy. Is it yummy? Ooh. Very tranquil. You know, this is a great spot to meditate. I think I'll start coming here for meditation. You like it? Oh, we have to check that out next time. Thank you for walking with us. Dakota and I enjoyed having you all with us on our nature walk. We'll be back with many more videos. Right, Dakota? Da. I say yes. All right, guys, you all have a blessed weekend.